Welcome to the 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is no 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Chess Galaxy 0, my brother. Kunjani?
Hey, ngiyaphi njani ngo?
Ngiyaphila man. Ayibona kanjani game namhlanje?
Hayi game namhlanje ibe igcwele e-spirit. Badlali bonke laba uma bangena ground bangene babe ne-kick ukuthi bafuna le 3 point. Mangibheka i-first half ama-chances asiwatholile ikhipha ye-Chess Galaxy isebenze kakhulu. Ma ubheka noma ubani umdlalo thina asidlali ukuthi ukora i-striker ukora midfield ukora defense everyone obafika amapaleni obafika afuna ukukora. Yeah, iyo inkathini namhlanje nakubona le-spirit lesi se-coach nabadlali ngendlela bahlangana ngayo kuyakhombisa ukuthi kune unity eteam inkosi noma bangena benendlala kufuna ukuzoprove wona umdlalo noma muphi umdlalo nangena phakathi ku Pirates ungena kuzobhalisa igama lakhe because Pirates team nama dlali baningi and even equality first level ngaba kwisub noma ubani wangena groundini uimportant akakho lo muntu ezofokwa ngecoach kusuka kunedab noma ubani mawungachaka namhlanje wobhatha bebese benchini bebanikeza ima new player isikhathi bona mtanjela bheka last week ungene ngesub namhlanje ungene full game up in the other man of the match yabona ukuthi kuyabonisa ukuthi ku Pirates sineshithi lonke like i-league le this season hayi yethu isanda izodropa one izodropa na manje bathini ngalomlungu waqeda kumsayini and then mawubheka le ePitori icoach bayisayinela iskini icoach yeSundowns ayikwazi ukucoach thina sine munye umjita mude okwazi ukucoacha uyi-super sub ubona le into yokusasa ukuthi kusasa siyawu namagoli ayengakhi le nto lesiyishayela sandla madoda
Number 1 sabakho
dake nqoba
amen olamthuthu nibatshela ukuthi phezkwabo olamthuthu phezkwabo olamthuthu singabhanya olamthuthu phezkwabo For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.